Why furnace and heating system maintenance is important. Presented by Berkeys Air Conditioning and Plumbing, serving South Lake, Grapevine, Keller, Dallas, Fort Worth, Denton, Tarrant, and more since 1975. It's not just chilly winter nights that can be avoided with regular heating system maintenance. According to Energy.gov, heating and cooling account for about 56% of the energy used in a typical U.S. home, making it the largest energy expense for most homes. According to EnergyStar.gov, just as a tune-up for your car can improve your gas mileage, a yearly tune-up of your heating and cooling system can improve efficiency and comfort. Here is a sample heating and furnace inspection checklist that should be completed every year. Adjust blower components. Check and test safety controls. Monitor furnace cycle. Adjust gas pressure. Clean heat exchanger and burners. Thoroughly check for cracked heat exchanger. Monitor fluke draft for safe operation. Adjust heat anticipator settings. Check and adjust pilot operation. Adjust airflow for proper temperature. Lubricate all moving parts where applicable. Check and tighten all loose electrical connections. Monitor voltage and amperage draw on all motors. Clean and adjust thermostat. Incomplete combustion in gas heating systems can produce dangerous gases, including tasteless, odorless carbon monoxide. A crack in a heat exchanger can set harmful gases circulating throughout your home, causing health problems for your family. A worst-case scenario includes asphyxiation. A suspected gas leak can be difficult, if not impossible, to detect due to the nature of the gas. It is highly recommended to have a carbon monoxide detector in your home. Making sure your heater is kept up by a heating maintenance company like Berkeys in Dallas-Fort Worth is the best way to be on top of any dangerous heating and furnace problems that may come your way. Here are some recommendations from the American Lung Association for preventing carbon monoxide poisoning. Make sure appliances are installed and working according to the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes. Never use unvented appliances. Make sure all appliances are fully vented to the outdoors. Have the heating system, chimney, and flue inspected and cleaned by a qualified technician every year. Berkeys offers annual furnace and heating inspection by licensed, certified technicians. To schedule your furnace and heating inspection, call Berkeys 817-481-5869 or visit www.berkeys.com. Ask about FAM, Berkeys Annual Maintenance Program. Berkeys Air Conditioning and Plumbing earned esteemed 2013 Angie's List Super Service Award. Angie's List founder Angie Hicks says, only about 5% of the companies that Berkeys Air Conditioning and Plumbing competes with in Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas, are able to earn our Super Service Award. It's a mark of consistently great customer service.